Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable mobile entry notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to mobile entry, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come to show notifications, click in this sign. Like you see, this color now show for us. That's mean mobile entry notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.